Welcome to the next installment of creating a San Francisco office. If you notice on the model, I changed some things up, not only in the model, also in the textures. I added some new textures, as you can see, like especially the stained red tiles that I have on the right side of the texture, and I added some more other textures like the door and some new panels. Also, I lost the last 5 minutes of progress on the building. On the You can see I'm missing a few windows on the backside, so I have to redo those. It wasn't very nice. It was kind of a human error where I forgot to save. Normally, when saving, it keeps an autosave, but when I reopened it, I was doing something else, and it overwrit it had already override the autosave, so I couldn't get my progress back. So I first off will be starting with redoing what I did last time, so that'll take up some time. Please don't be like me and use multiple autosaves, and always save when you're done with stuff. I don't even know why I forgot saving. Just closed it and it didn't ask me if I wanted to save my progress, so here I am. Here we go. You know, I'm also recording this after uh like making the video. Normally I record my sound while doing the video. That's why you hear my keyboard. That's why you hear all my rambling, what I do, like me speaking to myself, talking about what I want to do. But my audio was shit because I don't know, it just picked up all my breathing. Maybe I was really close to the mic, but normally I'm further from the mic. I don't know if you can pick up my breathing now. Sometimes when you're talking continuously, you have to breathe. So, a bit of talking about what's happening in the video. I'm kind of doing, because this is recorded a few days after the previous recording, a bit after when I did it. So I totally forgot how I did it and how I did what. And then I figured out some of the proportions of the backside of the building were wrong. So you will see me going to that after. But for now, I'm just yeah, just fucking around, I guess, just doing something. The next video will be back in normal format. I don't like doing the same work twice, like re-commenting over a video that I already commented on, but with the audio being that shit, it's not really an option, really, for me. So, um, I don't know where, um, like, I will start actually doing stuff. I'm probably rambling about something with every background noise you can imagine. So I guess I'll have to speed up some footage. It's not really that interesting what I'm doing. It's kind of a repetition. Oh, here you can see me editing a part of the building where I figured out is hey, the extrusion to that one side is not right in the middle of the building, but it's a bit offset to the side. You can see that if you go in Google Maps and look at the 3D building. You can see those windows start about 4 meters out from the middle. So that's why in the part you are not well, you have already seen I had to scale down the windows, but now I don't have to do that, so that's pretty nice. What else can I talk about? Because this is a long recording. It's a 50-minute seating. I don't know what I was saying. So yeah, oh, 5 minutes in and already I'm out of words to say. Yeah, here I'm just looking how it looks, you know. Like, I guess I'll just speed up a few pieces of the video, add some music to them. Next video I will be back with the normal video format for you, so I hope you like that, and see you in the next one. If you don't like me doing a lot of progress without me commenting over it with a sort of weird electronic dance tune, maybe I'll just play the Benny Hill theme in the back so you can listen to the Benny Hill theme for 40 minutes straight. Nah, not 40 minutes, I'll be speeding it up like 300%. Like, I don't show any new techniques, I just do the same thing I have been doing in literally all the previous episodes of me making this building. I probably have said that already 5 times, so you're probably getting bored of me talking about it. So, I hope you like it. If you don't, I hope to see you back in the next video. If you do, please tell me about it. Maybe I'll do some more random speed modeling videos of like models so you can kind of see the workflow but not detailed. So, I hope you all have a nice day, and I'm off.